What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I gotta tell you, I've been waiting quite a while to do one of these. Quite a while. You have no idea. We got ourselves a C8 Corvette. This thing is freaking sick. I cannot wait to see how the interior is. I imagine this video is going to get a lot of new viewers to my channel. If you guys are new, you're not familiar with what I do, basically I do an interior review, but it's a little bit more unconventional than your typical car review. What I do is I press on the panels and I feel everything in the interior to check the quality. So again, very unconventional from probably what you guys are used to. So if you don't like me touching things inside a car, this is your time to leave. But it is a relevant test to a car's interior and overall quality, and that is what my channel specializes in. So again, get ready for that. Let's see if we can get some squeaks and rattles out of this thing, even though I got a pretty good feeling. Also check the materials to see how good or bad the plastics are, leather, if a car has wood, buttons. I check everything. I'm a very detail-oriented interior reviewer, so get ready. If you guys are already on this channel, you know what to expect. Let's get into it. Oh man, this car is pretty low miles. If I'm not mistaken, it's got about 500 miles on it. The interior still smells very new. It's got a really nice new car smell. But enough chit chat about the smell. Let's see how it does. This is one of those cars you have to sort of fall into in order to get in. Oh yeah, we got a little movie. Very nice. Oop. Oh wow, guys, I can't press too hard on this car since this car is over $100,000, but I'm not going easy on it, and wow, the squeaks are non-existent. But we're not done yet. We got to do the button test. If you're not familiar with the button test, I press every button and turn every knob inside the cars. It's a relevant test to the quality to see how they sound and feel, to get the best sense you can without me in the car and me holding a camera. So in case you're curious about what a turn signal or a paddle shifter or a window switch sounds like in a car, hopefully I can show you. I'll zoom in a little bit for this.
Like,
And now for the final button. Oh my god, this thing sounds great. Wow. Interior aside, General Motors has done a fine job yet again on making a car feel just exhilarating. With the engine sound, I haven't actually driven this car on the road. I only moved it around the parking lot for now, but holy hell, this thing is nice. Definitely better than the C7. Alright, so what do I think of this interior? GM has definitely stepped up their game. I'm not just saying that because I work here. They've actually done a fantastic job with this car, at least on the inside. From what I understand, this is a higher trim level Stingray Corvette, so we have much nicer options on here, but that also translates into the materials. I want to show you, this is GM's semi-aniline leather. If you guys don't know what that means, semi-aniline leather is the highest grade of leather that you can get on a GM vehicle, whether it's Chevy or Cadillac or anything in between. So it is like a Napa leather. It's very soft and supple to the touch. It follows up here. Up here, this is all semi-aniline leather. Down here, even inside here, wow. Even on these lower parts here, same soft leather. Fantastic job. Down here, even on the cup holder lid, they could have cheaped out with this, but they chose not to. This part is the same leather, which I find quite peculiar, but I'm happy for that. And then you guys know, if you've been watching me for a while, I love Alcantara, especially Alcantara steering wheels now. I would love if the camera could focus. There we go. Yeah, this feels fantastic. So good in the hand. We also have the Alcantara headliner as well, and pillars. Very premium feel. Some of the other buttons are, for the most part, just whatever is in current GM. Chevy, Cadillac, Buick, GMC. A lot of these switches, like the window switches, these are out of Cadillac. So, nothing too special there. They're not actually bad buttons, even in the Chevys. I'm not gonna lie to you, they're actually halfway decent buttons. And then we got carbon fiber over here. Beautiful Bose metal speakers. You can kind of see it's like a brushed metal. Very premium, actually. And then all these buttons feel pretty good. They're not like extraordinarily good, but I'd say they're about maybe a little bit above average. Not too bad. And then these metal paddle shifters do feel quite nice. Heavy, cold to the touch, nice and big. Love it. For fit and finish, this car honestly did not squeak like at all. But this car is basically brand new. It's got, oh, you know what? I was wrong. Somebody told me 500 miles. This thing has 103 miles on it. This car is basically brand new. Don't know how these are going to shape out in the future. I mean, these cars literally just came out last year and in very small numbers due to the production issues due to the Rona. So right now, this car gets a 10 out of 10. It really didn't squeak. There are no fit and finish or quality issues that I can see in here, if I'm honest. 10 out of 10, I don't give that to many cars. This car does deserve it. As far as materials go, again, this is the higher trim. So everything I just kind of talked about, very premium. I reserve 10 out of 10 for materials for cars like Bentley, Rolls-Royce, cars that go like just to the extreme. This car is pretty good, but it's not to the extreme like those cars. But then for the price, I don't expect it to. So for materials, I'm going to give this an 8 out of 10, which again for an American car is very strong. I am super happy with that. So there we go. 10 out of 10 for fit and finish, 8 out of 10 for materials. This car is a slam dunk. If you guys are upset, if you're trying to buy one of these and they're going for over sticker, which they are right now, buy it, man. If you can get your hands on one of these, it's worth every penny, at least at the interior. And I heard they drive nice too. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you next time. Peace.